Okay, this is the final thoughts, lasting images upload for Charles Furman and for the social work practice with older adults class. So this is my picture or my image. The reason why I chose this image is because this is my grandmother and my daughter. This is the oldest woman in my family, and this is the youngest woman in my family. I chose this picture because I really loved it. I was just playing with my cell phone one day and just happened to have taken this picture. And I just loved it. I'm thinking about getting it blown up to hang in my house because it just shows how much love my grandmother has for her family. She's 93 years young. She'll be 94 if the Lord grants her that amount of time on October 24th of this year. 94 years old. And she's still in her right state of mind. She can still bless us out. Um, she can still let us know exactly how she's doing and how she's feeling. She's just a little slower with getting around and things of that nature. She's using one of those um, it's not a wheelchair. It's a rolling walker, and she gets around just fine with it. So she needs a little assistance with getting from point A to point B. But mind wise, she's sharp as a tack, as they would say. So in talking about the final reflections on the course, I love this course, and it was really informative to just to sit back and think about older adults. I know it in going through the course, it seems as though society is basically taking all the older adults, putting them in a wheelchair, and facing them out a window. And from what we've learned, it's not like that, and it shouldn't be like that. Um, they are human beings. They are older. They are wiser, and they still have a lot to share until their dying day, as we've seen in with so many of the presentations and things of that nature. Um, I really enjoyed the speakers that we had, um, the readings, the presentations that the speakers gave was informative and up close and personal accounts of what they actually go through with dealing with older adults um, and everyday life. It sounds like a rewarding job and career path to go into, but I'm still not sure whether or not I would want to get into gerontology. Um, the last question is, how can I apply this information to future practice? I believe just by understanding and knowing that these people matter, even though they're up in age, they still have a lot to offer, um, and we still need to do everything possible to try to help them to go through their golden years, um, to have the best life possible, even in their old age, and to see that there's a lot um, more that we could learn from them